After you log in a workflow screen, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the columns arranged in a logical order that a repair order would progress through the shop, starting with today's appointment, inspect, creating an estimate, waiting for approval, waiting on parts, waiting for work finished, and pickup. In this view, the service advisor can actually manage the vehicles in the order that they need to get them done. So let's say, for instance, that this particular service writer has an estimate that has to be done by a certain time in order to get parts ordered. So in this case, I'm going to move down, find the repair order, and press the up arrow to jump it to the top of the column. That's one way to do it. And they can also hover over the two dotted lines, hold down the left mouse button, and drag it and drop it in place. Next thing we want to do is look at the technician view. And to get there, what we're going to do is navigate over to the hamburger menu, which is the three black bars. And we're going to click on it and go down to where it says technician view. And now what we're going to see is where the service advisor can actually make good decisions about managing their labor inventory. So in this case, you can see that it's set up where I've got a no technician column and one column for each of the technicians that are actually working in the shop. The service advisor arranges things in order that they need them completed in on this page also by either dragging and dropping or pressing the up arrow to move it into the spot they need to. You also find on both of these views, and in fact all pages, that if you hover over the icons for just a few seconds, you'll get some great feedback on what each of these different numbers mean to you.